Marcella has an idea to transform her business. And with her Windows 11 Copilot PC, she's ready to turn that idea into action. It all starts here. Recall remembers almost everything seen on Marcella's PC. In a personalized timeline, she can scroll or search to find exactly what she needs. And Recall provides her with privacy controls over what it can save. Her PC's neural processing unit's blistering fast performance powers unmatched AI capabilities, like live captions that can translate 40+ languages into English in real time, enhancing Marcella's communication with her teams around the world. And creating impactful summaries and striking images is faster than ever. So Marcella's team can craft presentations that go farther. When it's time for the big investor call, exclusive AI-powered Windows Studio effects like portrait light and eye contact give Marcella the professional polish she needs to shine. Unlock your team's superpowers with Windows 11 Copilot PCs. A new AI era begins at work with the fastest, most intelligent Windows PCs ever.